When you is it one of your duties to install or to fit the AVL or the device in the motor vehicle?
Me as a person, no. I do oversee. I have a team of people performing such duties, but me as individual, no, I do not install.
Angiwafaki ke nama system kana AVL kodwa ke ngiyabheka ke ngiyabuka ke nginabantu ke abangenzelayo lo.
All right. After the fitting of the same device, do you issue a certificate? Or do they issue a certificate?
After the fitment of each device, a installation certificate is compiled, and such certificate is then recorded against that specific certificate number, and that is eventually, after the installation, it is handed to the SAPS.
Uma sekufakiwe ke i-system leyo ke kune certificate ke esikhishwayo kube ne-number ke ekhishwa leso certificate leso. Uma ke seyifakiwe ke bese iyanikezwa ke leso certificate sinikezwa khona ke amaphoyisa.
Perhaps do you have the number for that certificate?
No, I don't have that number, my lord.
Anginayo ke leyo number.
Any copy for that certificate?
My lord, a copy would be obtainable, but I don't have a copy with me.
Anginayo la mina ke copy kodwa i-copy ngatholakala.
When were you told to come and testify or to give evidence in relation to MM2?
Yesterday, my lord.
Ngitshelwe noma ngitshelwe izolo ke ukuthi angize ngizonikeza ngobufakazi.
What time was it? What time were you informed at that?
My lord, it would have been during the morning. I did not record the exact time, but somewhere yesterday morning I was informed.
Bekuyizolo ekseni ke isikhathi ngisibhala ngaphansi ukuthi ngicela nini noma ngitshelwe nini ukuthi angize ngikade ngizonikeza ngizokuthola ubufakazi.
All right. Your position at C-Track company. What's your position there?
I'm the Chief Operations Officer, my lord.
Ngishilo ke ukuthi mina ke obhekene ke nemisebenzi ke welanga nelanga lokubizwa ukuthi Chief Operations Officer.
Who are you reporting under?
I'm reporting to the Chief Executive Officer.
Mina ke umuntu engaphansi kwakhe ke ilobizwa ngokuthi CEO.
What is his name?
Mr. Hanyort.
Mr.
Hanyort.
Umnumzana Hanyort.
Does he know that we are here?
He does know indeed, my lord.
Ngempela uyazi ukuthi ngila.
When you were informed about this when you were informed to come and testify, and that was the time when you began to prepare yourself for this.
That is correct, my lord.
Kathi ngitshelwa ke ukuthi kuzofanele ukuthi ngize ngizokuthola ubufakazi yileso sikhathi ke engiye ngayilungiselela khona.
Do you still need necessary time to uplift that certificate in order to confirm that the said motor vehicle you are talking about was fitted with the GPS?
My lord, the fitment and the installation certificate is recorded within the SAPS environment against a what they call it, the SAPS vehicle register. So for that reason, I did not foresee the need for any form of proof that the vehicle was fitted other than the recordings of the movement report as we have it in front of us.
I-certificate lesi sikhuluma ngaso ke certificate esikhishwa ke ngaphakathi ke emaphoyiseni. Mina ke angibonanga ke isidingo sokuthi ngibe naso ke noma ngisilethe certificate leso noma ngibe naso kumina ke ngoba ke ikhona ke nabakhona ke lo mbiko lo engisebenza noma enginikeza ubufakazi ngawo.
But any records at your disposal?
Just again,
any records that you have before it is kept on the database of the SAPS, is there any piece or any file that you keep in your archives reflecting the information relating to that motor vehicle?
My lord, the information that we are talking on here all belongs to SAPS. So we as C-Track don't keep record of that because it is an entire enclosed system for the SAPS fleet.
Lana ke lo mbiko sikhuluma ngawo okanye i-report esikhuluma ngayo ke yaba-SAPS thina ke siwu-C-track asinayo ke la esigcina khona ke noma esinayo khona ke konke lokho sikhuluma ngako la phakathi emaphoyiseni.
My Lord, may I have just a second to peruse the MM2? Maybe I might have one question before I sit down. Okay, the last question is, if a motor vehicle is driving, maybe for a period of 10 minutes, will it show that it was driving at a certain speed, at a certain order?
My Lord, the device in the vehicle is alive all the time and measures the speed at second intervals, but given the amount of data, the vehicle will only report that position and speed at a defined interval as set out by the SAPS. In this case, the vehicle will report either every 5 minutes or when there is a change in heading, meaning the vehicle makes a turn to the left, to the right, or it changes its direction.
Indaba ke speed noma esivinini ke lokho izokusho ke noma asithi mhlambe sisebenzise lana ke ukuthi mhlambe ngesikhathi ke imizuzu emihlanu noma ukuthi mhlambe iyashintsha ke manje isizojika ke ayisahambi ke ngale mgwaqo ibihamba ngayo kunenkathi ke la khona ke ispeed esizoveza noma esikhonjiswe khona.
And during such reporting, it would then report the speed of the vehicle as well.
Uma yenza ke leyo mbiko ke izobika ke kanye nesivinini ke noma ispeed semoto.
All right. Let me just draw your attention on on June 18, 2020. I'm not sure what page is that.
I'll get it. If you just give me the time as well, then I'll...
The time is 8:24. Do you see that? Or is it check?
Page 26.
Yeah, page 26, page 24.
It's page.
Yeah, I've got it there. On the 18th, 8:24, 55 seconds, Molo.
It's 8:24. It says driving.
That is correct.
Driving, the kilometer is 0 and the order is 0.
Yeah, that means the vehicle is stationary because there's no speed.
Lana ke ko nge-18 ka June 2020 isikhathi u-8:24 ithi imoto iyahamba kodwa ke ispeed ithi 0 ne-order nayo ithi 0 kuthi ke mayiphendula ke kusho ukuthi imoto yayimileke.
If it says 8:29 XL idle, it is still stationary.
It's still stationary. The vehicle would report excess idle. It would first status after it started. It would report a driving status, and if the vehicle remains at the same location without moving, the excess idle status would then be recorded after the driving status.
Nanjengoba lana ke ku-8:29 ithi ke excess idle kusho ukuthi ayiduma ke kodwa kuno-00 okusho ukuthi ayimile ngoba izoqala izothi uma iqala ke isho ukuthi ke iyadriver ke kodwa uma sekuyisikhathi ke futhi ke isemi kuleyo ndawo leyo ke ila esizoveza khona ukuthi iyaduma loya excess idle.
Is it still the same position with 8:34?
My Lord, if we look at the GPS coordinates, it is very much still the same location where the vehicle is.
Uma sibheka ekugcineni ke laphayana ke ila esichazela khona ukuthi imoto ikuphi ke nendawo usabona ke ukuthi ke kuseyindawo eyodwa.
Thank you, my Lord. No further questions.
Thanks. Yes, Mr. Mngomezulu.
Sorry, just one question. So can you, if you know, can you clarify what is mapping is?
What?
Mapping in relation to service.
Sorry, I don't understand the question.
No, let me just withdraw the question.